This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As we begin a new month, you might want to check and see whether any stock you own had a positive close to last month. Remember, the market was down substantially, but some stocks had a bounce towards the end of the month. And today being the first day of the month, we need to start looking at those monthly charts. For example, here we can see Rio was up at the end of last month. It came off the lows, but now here's a situation where after one positive month, now if it goes on to break the shown price, which is the monthly closing low from February, if it breaks below that price, if it stays below that price, then this is a fresh break sell signal. Hope that makes sense. So again, if you own any stock that was positive last month and is now threatening to break February's monthly closing low, this is going to be a fresh break, not a good sign. If they end up trading below February's monthly closing low, and there's also the added risk, if or should they go on to drop below RSI 38.2 on the monthly, this becomes another warning sign, and potentially if you see the stock drop below 38.2, understand that it's going to behave as though it is crashing. Now, this is my own researched method. Just check and see any stock, any market that was down recently, down below 38.2 on the RSI on the monthly for the first time in many years. The behavior was such that it was crashing. So be on the lookout for stocks that had a 1 month rest period and are now breaking below February's monthly closing low. And so we can save time here. We can see that the stock in this particular example is also breaking to 3-year RSI lows and also breaking to 3-year MACD lows. This is based on my own method, which I call the Muathe Ultimate Sell Signal. Links are going to be in the description. We can also see a similar situation here with VMware. It closed ever so slightly at the end of last month, and now as long as it continues staging this move below February's monthly closing low, in other words, if it continues trading below 120.52, this is a fresh break. And again, as I mentioned, all of these stocks are now moving to 3-year lows. If they continue breaking on price, the MACDs are already giving that major sell signal. So the threat for lower prices is there. And also keep in mind, if they go on to drop below RSI 38.2, expect stocks like this to stage what is going to feel like a crash. Links for more information are going to be in the description of the video. Now, it's another way of saying that what you want to see here as a measure of market sentiment is these stocks, like this one here, which had a positive close last month when the market was down substantially, you want to see them trade above February's monthly closing low. In other words, it would be a bullish sign if these stocks can turn around and move above February's monthly closing low. In other words, if they can build on last month's positive recovery, that is what bulls want to see. Same thing for Rio. If Rio is going to lead us out of this down movement in the market, generally speaking, then Rio needs to continue staying positive after last month's recovery. So a break, very bearish. Support and back above this February monthly closing lows would be a good sign for the general market. So that's it for now. It's a good educational video. After 1 month of rest, you always want to adjust your expectations if there's going to be a continued price breakdown or if there's going to be recovery. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESSION. And so it is.